friends, welcome back. Today we are back with another Beyond the Boundary video. And as usual, I'll be giving clues and try to guess the country. First clue is it is the text capital of the world due to the large volume of SMS. Second clue, it is the largest contributor of nurses worldwide. The Spanish colonial period from 1565 to 1898. That next 48 years it was under American colonization. Here you can see national flag, national costume, national fruit. Here you can see the country is carved on mango. So did you guess the country? Yes, it is Philippines. Here on the world map you can see India, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia and Philippines. The entire landmass of Philippines is made up of islands, making it the second largest archipelago in the world. The Philippines has approximately 7,500 islands. Here you can see some main islands like Luzon, Palawan, Mindoro, Cebu, like that. And some major cities like Quezon, Manila. It is the capital. It lies under Luzon. The capital is Manila. The most populous city is Quezon. The currency is Philippine peso. National language is Filipino. Official languages are Filipino and English. It is the 13th most populous nation in the world. 1 Saudi Riyal is equal to 13.26 peso. 1 kg rice in Philippines cost 51.44 peso, which is around 75.5 rupees, and in India it costs 50 rupees, and in Saudi Arabia 100 rupees. Cost of living in Philippines is higher than India but lower than Saudi Arabia. Literacy rate is 98.2%. Life expectancy is 71.28 years. Here are some beautiful places in the Philippines. Manila. It's a bustling city with non-stop activity. El Nido, Coron, Chocolate Hills. They were named for their color changes during wet and dry seasons. During dry seasons, they are brown. Tubataha Reefs, Sangat Island, Snake Island in El Nido, Surigao Island, Boracay, Vigan, Banawe Rice Terraces, Puerto Princesa, Baguio. It is on Luzon Island. Monument of Rizal, MacArthur Landing Memorial Park, People Power Monument, Sandugo Shrine. Sandugo means one blood. It was considered to be the first ever treaty of friendship between the Filipinos and the Spaniards. Mactan Shrine. Shrine means a holy place. Magellan's Cross. Mount Mayon. It is an active volcano. Here you can see jeepney, habal habal. Habal habal is a popular way of traveling in many areas of Mindanao, and electric vehicle. This first one is an example of village houses and houses in cities. Country's main agricultural crops are rice, corn, coconut, sugarcane, bananas, pineapple, coffee, mangoes, tobacco and abaca. It's a banana-like plant. Here you can see abaca. It is also called Manila hemp. Secondary crops like peanut, cassava, camote, garlic, onion, cabbage and calamansi. Rubber and cotton. Here you can see calamansi. The Philippines is the world's second largest producer of coconut. Now some main vegetables like chayote, leaf mustard, bottle gourd, moringa, bitter melon, taro, water spinach, banana blossom, calamansi, winged beans and jicama. Some main fruits like sour soup, chiku, aratiles, durian, cotton fruit, star fruit and lanzones. Now moving on to the Filipino cuisine, chicken adobo. It is the unofficial national dish of the Philippines. This is lamb adobo. Adobo is one of the most popular dish amongst Filipinos. So now we are going to taste it. It tastes similar to chili lamb. Pancit gusado. It is fried noodles. Arroz caldo. Silog. It is a Filipino breakfast. Consists of meat, garlic fried rice and egg. Quinoa. It consists of raw fish marinated in vinegar along with other ingredients like calamansi juice, salt, pepper and chili pepper. Quinoa means eaten raw. Balut. It is a boiled duck egg. Hanging rice. Bulalo. Crispy pata. It is made up of pork knuckle. Sinigang. Filipino style beef steak. Kare kare. It is a Filipino stew, consists of meat, often oxtail, seafood and other vegetables. Filipino spring rolls. Turon. Cassava cake. It is made up of grated cassava, coconut milk, egg, butter and condensed milk or sugar. Puto maya. It is glutinous rice. Dried mangoes. Kutsinta. Calamansi honey ginger tea. It is similar to lime honey ginger tea. Halo halo. It is a popular Filipino cold dessert. Politeness is an art form in the Philippines. Filipinos are warm, happy and have a great sense of humor. The Philippines is one of the happiest countries in the world, ranking near the top on Gallup's index. Respect for one's elders is traditional in the Philippines. When a Filipino child meets an older family member, the child greets them with a gesture called mano po, by taking the older relative's hand and placing it on his or her forehead to express profound respect for the elder. Here you can see mano po. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.